double size stripping machine. Okay, loading. Then go and choose the acid washing one. Acid washing 2. Acid washing 3. Acid washing 4. Recycle water 1. City water, squeezing, inspection. Then go and choose stripping. Stripping 1. Stripping 2. Or it's a high pressure spray. Spray 3. Recycle water 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is a main control panel. Squeezing and cold air drying 1, and the hot air drying. Unloading. So because it is rear to rear stripping, it will be casting young wall climb. The bank side recycle waters pump filter. Film separator. Okay, that's all.